Hi friends, this video shows how to install Hotstar app. First, let me go to home, then open Jio Store. Select this Jio Store app icon. Then on top you can see featured, then top charts. Select top charts, go down, select entertainment category. Here you can find Hotstar. Select Hotstar under entertainment, then select install. So now it's downloading Hotstar app. Please wait. Okay, now it's installing. So this way we can download and install Hotstar app. So still it's installing, please wait. Okay, installation completed. After that, from here you can open Hotstar app, or you can go to home. In home, here you can see Hotstar app icon. From here also you can open. Okay, so this way we can install Hotstar app. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.